Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita verse 10.8. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvita. Translation: I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Verse 10.10. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते. Translation: To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give them understanding by which they can come to me. Hare Krishna.